Hey everyone, it's Professor Clark, and in this lecture, which should be pretty short, we are going to learn a little bit more about talking about possession, how to indicate that we have something. You already know the construction у меня есть, у тебя есть, and now we're going to learn a little bit more about it and how to talk about having in a broader context. Let's start by talking about the preposition u. U actually means by or near, and so we can use it to express physical location. For example, we can say, Stol стоит у двери. The table is standing by the door, or the table is by the door. Or, ковер лежит у стула. The rug is lying by the chair, or the rug is next to the chair. However, we also use u, as you already know, to express possession. For example, у меня есть книга. I have a book. And what we are literally saying is, by me, there is a book. And the form, as you remember, is u plus genitive of the person doing the having, and then есть, and then the nominative of the thing that is had. And we can use this with any noun in the genitive to signify having. For example, у Лены есть машина. Lena has a car. У Светы есть учебник. Sveta has a textbook. У Димы есть пальто. Dima has a coat. У Саши есть квартира. Sasha has an apartment. So again, this is not exactly what we do in English, but it's a pretty straightforward construction once you get to know it.